You know the sound. It's 6:30 a.m. The alarm goes off. It doesn't feel like a fresh start. It feels like a summons. Another day, trading your finite time for an arbitrary paycheck. You are tired, not just physically, but deep in your soul. You are running a script written by someone else. A script designed to keep you obedient, dependent, and perpetually almost broke. Look at the person in the mirror. Is this it? Is this the culmination of your potential? Sitting in traffic. Sitting in meetings that could have been emails. Waiting for permission to take a lunch break. Waiting for permission to live. Millions of people are quietly screaming inside their cubicles right now. They feel stuck. They feel the walls closing in. But they do nothing. Why? Because they are terrified of the unknown. They are addicted to the illusion of security. But what if I told you that the cage door isn't locked? It was never locked. What if I told you that in exactly 180 days, 6 short months, you could walk away forever and never look back? This isn't a fantasy. It requires no lottery win, no sudden inheritance. It demands only a strategic, cold-blooded execution of a meticulously crafted escape plan. A plan that reclaims your most valuable asset, your time. Forget motivational fluff and empty platitudes. This is a tactical blueprint for financial liberation. A step-by-step guide to systematically dismantling the golden handcuffs that bind you. We are going to build a bridge from dependency to sovereignty. And then, to ensure there is no retreat, we are going to burn the boats. This is your declaration of independence. Before we talk about quitting, we must diagnose why you are still there. You are not trapped by your boss. You are trapped by your expenses and your mindset. To quit in 6 months, the first thing that has to die is the employee mindset. The employee waits to be told what to do. The employee trades time for money. The employee seeks comfort. This 6-month timeline will be the hardest you have ever worked. You will be working your 9 to 5 to pay the bills, and then your 5 to 9 to build your freedom. We need to establish your baseline freedom number. This is not your current salary. This is the bare minimum amount of money you need to survive monthly without drowning. Rent, food, utilities. That's it. No luxuries, no $7 coffees. For the next 6 months, you are in wartime austerity mode. Calculate that number right now. Write it down. That number is your target. Welcome to Phase 1, Months 1 and 2. The objective here is simple. Stop the bleeding and build the runway. You cannot launch a rocket from shaky ground. Action Step 1, Aggressive Defense. Go through your last 3 months of bank statements. Every single subscription you don't use to survive gets canceled. Dining out is canceled. New clothes are canceled. You are finding the hidden money leaking out of your life. Action Step 2, the Emergency Runway. Your goal in these 60 days is to save exactly 2 months of your baseline freedom number. If you need $3,000 a month to survive, you need $6,000 in a separate account by day 60. This money is untouchable. It is your peace of mind. It is your ability to sleep at night when you eventually hand in your resignation. If you have high-interest consumer debt, this timeline might need to extend. You cannot build wealth while paying 20% interest to a bank. Phase 1 is about getting lean, mean, and liquid. You are stabilized. You have cash in the bank, and the immediate pressure is off. Now we shift from defense to offense. We enter Phase 2, building the bridge mechanism. This is your structured path out of the 9 to 5. In 6 months, you won't build the next Amazon. Forget that fantasy. The goal isn't a billion-dollar valuation. It's freedom. To get there, you need fast cash flow. You need high-margin, low-overhead mechanisms that generate income now. There are 3 primary paths for a rapid exit. Focus on 1. Master it. Path 1. High-value freelancing. You package your existing professional skills, be it marketing, coding, or design, and sell them directly to businesses at a premium rate. Path 2. Digital service arbitrage. Find a problem businesses have, like lead generation or content creation. Find subcontractors who can solve it cheaply. You sit in the middle, managing the relationship and keeping the margin. Path 3. High-velocity sales. closing deals for existing high-ticket coaching or software programs. It requires zero product creation, just pure skill in communication and persuasion. You're a hired gun for revenue generation. During months 3 and 4, your only goal is to validate one of these mechanisms. You are working mornings, nights, and weekends. The mission is to get your first 3 paying clients. You need proof of concept. You are not looking to replace your salary yet. You are looking to prove that the bridge will hold weight. If you are enjoying this blueprint so far, do not forget to subscribe. We are building an army of sovereign individuals here, and your journey is part of that movement. Phase 3. The final stretch, months 5 and 6. You are tired, bone-deep tired. You have been working double time for 120 days, running on fumes and sheer willpower. Good. That fatigue is the price of admission. It's the undeniable proof that you are forging a new reality. It means it's working. By month 5, your bridge mechanism is no longer a side project. It's a revenue engine generating consistent cash flow. Now, we accelerate. All your energy shifts from setting things up to pure execution, sales and delivery. This is a ruthless prioritization. Every action must be tied to revenue. You need to push that side income until it hits at least 75% of your baseline freedom number, not just once, but consistently. This isn't a fluke, it's your new baseline. You are facing a reality gap now. Your day job is actively getting in the way of your real work. Every hour spent in a pointless meeting or a slow commute is an hour you could have been building your future. You are losing money by going into the office because your time is now officially worth more outside of it. This is the signal, the final validation you've been waiting for. Month 6, the moment of truth. You have your emergency runway secured in the bank. Your bridge income is proven and stable. You have validated with data and dollars that you can survive on your own. It's time to write the letter. It will be the scariest email you ever send. Your heart will pound. Your mind will race with 1,000 what-ifs. The deep-seated programming will scream at you to stay safe, to choose the familiar cage. Do it anyway. Don't burn bridges. Be professional, be classy. Give your 2 weeks notice, but be firm in your decision. The cage door is open. Step through into the sunlight. The day after your last day at the job, you will wake up. The alarm won't ring. The silence will be deafening. There is no boss. There is no schedule. There is no safety net. It is terrifying. And it is absolutely beautiful. Quitting your job in 6 months is not the end of the journey. It is the starting line of real life. Freedom is heavier than slavery. You now carry the full weight of your own destiny. You will work harder than you ever did in a cubicle, but you will be building your own dream, not someone else's. The strategy is laid out. The timeline is set. The only variable left in this equation is you. Are you going to remain a battery for the system, or are you going to unplug? The clock starts now.